Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your freelance income with Square easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your freelance income with Square, start by visiting the Square website. Create a Square account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details such as your email address, password, and business name. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the features available, focusing on payment processing and invoicing. To set up payment processing, click on Payments in the sidebar. Choose the payment options that suit your needs, such as credit card payments or e-commerce solutions. Next, set up invoicing by clicking on the Invoices section. Create a new invoice by entering your client's information and the services you provided. Set payment terms and include any necessary notes for your client. Send the invoice directly through Square to ensure secure payment options. Track the status of your invoices via the dashboard for timely reminders. Consider setting up automatic reminders for outstanding payments. To further protect your income, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security to access your financial information. Regularly review your transaction history to monitor for any discrepancies. Use Square's reporting tools to analyze your earnings and adjust your strategy as needed. Finally, keep your account information updated and secure to maintain a healthy freelance income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.